some new shit coming out, man. I just seen them at the store, y'all, man. It's like, I won't get them, but say, I had to drop that shit for y'all, man. I saw that shit at the store. I was like, oh, shit. I gotta drop this shit. I gotta drop this shit. Bars. Damn, we got some new shit. I saw that shit. I was like, oh, hell yeah. Coming soon. Bars. Y'all gonna learn. I'm not the one to fuck. I'm sorry. I'm not the one to fuck with. They're gonna be real. Yeah, it ain't never over, motherfucker. Shit, man. Hey, motherfuckers in middle school. Motherfucker. Fuck you, man. Ain't shit over. Bars. Y'all must got me fucked up. Shit. What? You always a kid at heart. You hear me? You always a kid at heart. It's just if you want to let it out, I'm letting it out. Fuck that shit. I'm a kid at heart. But I hate all you motherfuckers from middle school. I don't give a fuck about none of you motherfuckers. I wish none of you motherfuckers well. Bars coming soon. Ooh, yeah, man. Say y'all, we got some new baby Shrek snakes coming out. You know. Shh. Be quiet. Y'all are so crazy. Y'all know we pop out, we rock out. Have anybody else popped out and rocked out? Oh, that was some bullshit. Y'all saw that? That was some bullshit. That was some bullshit. Don't even worry about that bullshit. That shit, that shit was some bullshit. That shit didn't even do. That shit did what? Hell no. It is. Ah, don't you do it. Nah, don't make it. Don't make it out. Make it out. You know I don't give a damn. Pop out, rock out. You did. Don't hey, pop out, rock out. Pop the fuck out, rock the fuck out. Did you hear me? Pop out, rock out. What's up, single stacks? Pop out. What's up? Don't get it twisted. I stay on dick. I stay on dick. Yeah, y'all see that video I dropped with the policeman with the AR? Talking about a hunt around. Do them like a fucking hunt around, y'all. Y'all see how motherfuckers be cloud chasing on the internet, y'all. Yeah, go check out the channel, the video I just dropped to my AR shotgun. Talking about this motherfucker is a hunt around. Motherfuckers, they be cloud chasing on the videos, yeah. This is not a fucking hunt around. This is a fucking 19. One in the head, 20. You stop playing. So y'all know I'm gonna do a collab with that damn video. You know I am. I'm gonna collab with that bitch. Be like, this is not a hunt around. Stop playing. Stop playing. This is not a hunt around. The fuck you mean? They be cloud chasing on this damn internet for real, y'all. I'm gonna shit on that channel for real. That's why I post that other one. I'm gonna post it again and be like, this is not a hundred rounds. You hear me? Not even this a hundred rounds. Not even with this is a hundred rounds. You hear me? Motherfucker be cloud chasing on the internet. Talking about a goddamn 12 gauge shotgun, a hundred rounds. Shut your dumb ass up. No damn 12 gauge got no damn hundred rounds on it, bitch. What the fuck you carrying, bitch? Y'all better stop playing, watching these damn fake ass internet channels. They be saying this old bullshit. 100 rounds on an AR 12 gauge. The fuck? You know what I'm saying, bro? You for real? Shit, that slug gonna knock some shit loose. Yeah, knock some limbs off. Taurus gang, gang, gang. What's up, Taurus gang? You done popped over there. Hit them hearts. Yo, run it up. Hey, 100, hey, 100 piece, 100 piece, 100 piece, 100 piece. Hey, hit that 100 piece. Yeah, appreciate it. You the best, y'all. No cap. Hit that shit. Tap that shit, D-Town. Appreciate y'all. Hit that shit some more. Hit that motherfucker. Yeah, man. Number love over here. Appreciate all my bros. Y'all already know. Fire in the hole. Bars. I told y'all, man, hit that shit some more, man. We alive. What you telling me? I'm still alive. I'm still alive. Y'all are so crazy, boy. Y'all so crazy.